What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ethan and back with another video, and today we are going to evolve Rookity. I don't care what people say, we are going to evolve him. So talk to no joy. Heal. And currently I got 2 videos uploading. So my computer is screaming at me. Currently right now. In this very moment, it's screaming at me. I have 3 tabs open on Chrome, and I have 3 apps open. OBS Studios, Chrome, and Roblox. So we are going to go back into the wild. Maybe try and get another Pokemon. Oh wait, I forgot something. There's something important in here that we need to grab. In here, then throw him, and now we got a good team. We are going to defeat the league with this team, I swear it. Well, maybe we'll find some cooler Pokemon and then catch them and add them to the team. I don't know. But what I know is I've searched up what the gyms are, and after this there's the water gym. Then I think the sky gym where you fight like a sky type, like a flying type. Then there's a flying type gym. Can you? I am going to. I searched up when does the Dark Knight evolve? When does Rookity evolve? And it came up with level 18. So I just wanted to record this video. To like show him evolving. Or not like a 2-second video. That would take like 5 minutes to make. That would take like 5 minutes to post. Come on! I'm just using pluck, trying to kill this guy. I need to improve my setup, my god. I have a light up keyboard, but that's pretty much all. Nothing else is cool on my setup. Got a wired mouse, a mic, a computer, a PC that's trash and screams at me. My dog called Oreo is right outside, probably my room. I'm recording this in my room, which is my studio, which is where I record. So let's run up and go face the ghost person in the graveyard. Oh, but first we gotta face this guy, of course. Hello, sir. Now let me face you and then... Yeah. Send out Cubone. Yeah, we can't do that. We need a better Pokemon for the job. Level 18 is when Dark Knight evolves. So we just gotta do this until level 18. And then he'll evolve. And then, yeah. This will also be a short video. Just a quick post. That wouldn't take me that long to record, but still. Dartrix is level 20 right now. I feel like Dark Knight can take this Meryl. And And Dark Knight. Oh wait, you could just use Attract. Rather than be a part of a little piece of the fight than not be in the fight. I would rather be a piece of the fight instead of just a crumb. I would rather be a crumb of the fight. Oh wait, what? What was I gonna? Okay, I forgot. Whatever. It's been like 5 minutes out here, and he's already in the yellow house. You're pathetic, Dark Knight. This is why we need to evolve you. There we go. Now he's evolving. Who should we evolve next? No one else for a while, probably. Dark Knight, you can have a rest. Dartrix. I just saw like a YouTuber flash on my screen. I'm actually scared now. Okay, anyways. Tell me if you saw that too, and tell me what it was if you paused it at the right time. Evolve! Yes! Dark Knight is evolving, and it's only 6 minutes. I'm also watching the Demon Slayer Mount Natagumo arc right now. I've been watching it throughout this entire thing. But boom, bang, bong, bang. We got a Corvus Squire. And it's lagging so bad I can't even see that. Yes! Corvus Knight. Dark Knight the Corvus Squire. Yeah, let's go. What's his best attack? Okay, defense is a special. Okay, so his defense is the best stat. Go, 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 go. So all of this side is a girl. These two are boys. And this person is a girl. Static. I just feel weird having a girl Pokemon on my team. Okay, that's gonna be all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tiny skit that I did here. Bye. Just kidding. We're gonna keep on going. We're going to do the volcano mission now. Wait, hold on. I gotta search something up. When does Hippopotas evolve? I'm just curious. And enter. While we wait for the answer. Oh. 30. Okay, so I'm gonna have to literally give this all my red candies when I get it. Dear God. Oh, let's go. Byung. 32 and 23 minutes remain. Well, this is a 9-minute video right now. Oh, it's a Litleo. Let me run away from Litleo. I don't like Litleos. But I love Pyro. Oh my god, Pyros are so underrated. They look so cool. They were my first shiny in Scarlet and Violet. I literally got Pokemon Scarlet on my desk right now. And so do I got Pokemon. And I also got Pokemon Shield. So that was my first shiny in my first playthrough of Pokemon Violet. My first playthrough shiny Pokemon was off the brassiest, and I was going for Iono. But then I was running around trying to train up my Pokemon for the Team Star Camp. The fire steam, the fire Team Star Camp. I was training up for that when I found like this group of Litleo, and I found like a yellow Litleo, and I was like, hold on, that's not supposed to be like that. So then I go on Google, I go on Chrome, I search up, this is what I search up, shiny Litleo, and then it's like yellow, like I saw. And then I was like, oh my god, I found a shiny. What did you say? I've been training on my fist on this rock. I've been at it for so long that I'm starting to get tired and hungry. Starting? Oh wait, you've probably done it for like 20, 40 minutes, like an hour. That's when I get hungry. I can last an entire 6 hours of school without eating, probably. Speaking of which, after I do this video, I gotta go eat my sandwich that's downstairs. I just prepared it for today. I meal prepped, whatever they say. I don't care. Dark Knight. Yeah, Dark Knight you can take on. Don't you use like a Venonat? Doesn't this person use a Venonat? So are you gonna throw your Pokemon at me? Yep. What did I say? Venonat. Level 16 Venonat. Venonat is... It's Corvuscuite's prey. The Dark Knight's prey is Venonat. Was it Venonat or Venonat? Venonat. I say it like Venonat, not Venonat. 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 That just sounds weird. Venonat. Whatever. Team gains XP pack. Okay, I'm also gonna search that out. When does... What is he? What's his name? Oh, Chiana evolve. Probably level 30 something. Are you gonna answer me? Stupid Google. Answer me! Answer me! I'm tired. Evolves mighty and oh my god. Same level. Oh, it's Corvuscuite. Let's go. Okay, close that. Shut up, shut up, shut up. What level is Poochyena right now? 3 levels. 3 levels away. Okay, it's you. I face you. Boom, boom, boom. Through the people. Okay. Whitney. You're Whitney. I'll destroy you, Whitney. Whitney could whip me. Just okay, that just sounded weird. And like history, with learning that people could get whipped and go to jail if they did like stole bread or something. That just sounds weird. Weirdos would like it. That's weird. You must must pay for this. You better pay for this. You are going to pay for this. You flipping killed Pack. I will not forgive you. And that kills. Still more? Okay, I'll wipe them out. UFO, go! Go, UFO! No, they killed him! I will not forgive you! I killed you. I killed him rightfully in the name of revenge for my fallen comrade, Pack. Pack, you better pack up your things and go die. You better stay alive, ha, ha, ha. You better stay alive, Okay, Teddy Ursa, you're dead. Leveling up. Shut up. You don't get to speak after killing my leveling Pokemon. I was gonna level that guy up, so then we would have a full set team to destroy the Silicobra. Nah, I'm gonna keep with my other Pokemon. You're a weak Pokemon, so I won't even bother with you. Okay, let's go. How are my videos doing? 16 minutes and 23 minutes. Okay, good. Good. I'll finish another 2 recordings in that time. Okay. Bremba City. How is this a city? This is Bremba Town. I'm gonna heal my Pokemon. Yeah, no song when I'm healing my Pokemon. I gotta buy more potions. But for right now, we're taking on this magma problem. I'm running. Now that Pack is healed up, we can move on our journey through the magma plains and destroy Team Eclipse, Team Eclipse, yeah. Now I'm gonna encounter a Pokemon. Bromzo. That is the Z to the O. Bromzo. I'm 4 levels higher. And I just killed him with 1 bite. Pack is the rest of the lack. You lack a pack, which is what Pack got. Yeah, you know you got. I'm a Pack god. You better obey me, because I'm obeying you, boy. After this recording, I'm going to check on my dog because I feel like he's getting into some stuff that he shouldn't. He's only like 2 months old, so he's probably dumb as hell. Anyways. Okay, Pac became confused. No! No, 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 no. We don't want you to get hurt, Pac. Pac. Trying to open my door. Let's shock him. He's fine right now. Let me charge beam you out of the sky. Boom. Dead. Hepatus. Zubat. Okay. No, I won't switch. I won't switch. And you're a big idiot. For thinking I'll switch. Dark Knight grew to level 19. Well, time for me to. No! Why you have to why you have to detect? What are you detecting? Gold? Are you a metal detector? He uses bite. No evolution. Well, that's what I expected, but still. Okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna go through with the plan. Okay? Okay, Pugiana? We're gonna go through with the plan. Pugiana, let's go pack. You lack a pack, which is what I have, and you don't know. I know from your camp. Potass, yeah, you know you. About to ask, why do you not send out Hippotas? Well, because he's weaker than this guy, and he may be arguing in the comments below. You may be arguing in the comments. That he has a big defense, but I argue anyways. This guy's defense is higher because the level is higher. He's mightier than a Puccina. He's a Mightyana. My Pokemon is Mightyana. Pack is about to beat ya. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And the rest of time. And the rest of their life. And the rest of time. Pluck. Dodged. Then Supersonic. This is how everything was perfect until the Confuse Ray attacked. Everything was perfect until the Fire Nation attacked of Confuse. And then Power Trip. That was astonishing. But let me use Pluck to really get your flippin' fists in your face. Let me get big in your eyes. Oh wait, you don't have eyes. Wait, maybe it's in your mouth. Have any of you ever thought of that? Zubat's eyes being in its mouth? Bro, no. Okay, Mount Igneous. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's you. Go pack. I'm not gonna risk it, so I'm gonna send out UFO because psychic beats poison, I'm pretty sure. So, go UFO. Astonish. Super effective, yeah, I know, but it's weak. It's weak against me. Confusion, and now that's super effective. Grew to level 16. Let's go. I just realized I'm a long way off of level 18. But at least we're getting through the first bit. Bro, let me move. What's my thing? What's that? 14? 7. Okay. Nope. I'm not sending out him. Let's send out Static instead. Supersonic. I'm an anime weeb, and I know it. Because tomorrow I'm going to get a Gojo costume. And I don't know what size I am, so my mom is coming with me. Go flippin' jump in a river. That's my way of saying go jump in death. Slugma. This video is gonna get demonetized, but Slugma balls. Okay. We are not going to face Slugma today. Nuh-uh. You wanna know why? Why? You wanna know why? Why? You wanna know why? Why? Because Hippotas is here. Oh my god, it's Hippotas. Oh my god, he's weak, he's weak, he's weak. Come on, Hippotas, you got it. You got it, yeah, yeah. Hit him with one of those 1-2 bite, yo. Dude. But the sense I only used him so I would get up to Sandstorm. Oh my god, he's so cool. Yep, I knew it. It was a train fight. And charge beam. I'm ready to wipe out everyone. I'm also burned. Which doesn't even matter. 'Cause I'm destroying everything. Static, 171, SN16. What is it now? Oh, a Slugma. Okay. That's gonna be all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.